Hi guys, welcome back to Glow with Madhu. Today I'm sharing my self-care shower routine, a perfect blend of relaxation and skincare that leaves me feeling fresh, pampered and glowing. The first step to a perfect shower routine is setting the mood. I love lighting a candle to create a spa-like vibe. It instantly relaxes my mind and makes the whole experience feel luxurious. Before hopping in, I always start by brushing my hairs using a wooden comb. This helps in detangling my hair gently, reducing breakage and improving blood circulation on my scalp. Before applying shampoo, I always take a moment to soak my hair properly in water. But first, let's set the temperature right. I like to keep it lukewarm, not too hot, not too cold, just the perfect balance to open up the hair cuticles without drying them out. Today I'm using Love Beauty and Planet Lavender shampoo, which smells absolutely divine and feels so soothing on my scalp. But here's a little hair care tip. Never apply shampoo directly to your scalp, always dilute it with a little water before massaging it in. This helps spread the shampoo evenly, reduces product buildup, and prevents harsh cleansing that can strip away natural oils. A gentle scalp massage at this step not only cleanses but also improves blood circulation, promoting healthy hair growth. For me, shower isn't just about washing up, it's my escape, my little moment of self care where I unwind, refresh, and reset my energy. Next, I apply Love Beauty and Planet Hair Mask. It gives my hair intense hydration and makes it silky smooth. I like to keep it on for a while so my hair can soak in all the goodness. Meanwhile, let's move on to rest of my routine. For my body, I am using Chemistat Play Exfoliating Body Wash. This is a chemical exfoliant, meaning it helps remove dead skin cells without the need for a physical scrub. Since it contains AHA and BHA, it deeply cleanses and smoothens my skin without causing irritation. While applying body wash, it's so important to pay attention to the areas that are often neglected, like the back of the neck, behind the ears, and along the spine. These areas tend to accumulate sweat, dirt, and product residues, so I always make sure to gently cleanse them to keep my skin fresh and clear. Also, I make sure to wash my arms, elbows, underarms, and knees properly as these areas tend to get rougher and darker due to dead skin buildup. A good exfoliating body wash helps in keeping them soft, smooth, and even toned. And finally, I rinse everything off with lukewarm water. Now, since I have already exfoliated chemically, I am skipping a physical body scrub to avoid over exfoliation. Instead, I go straight to shaving. I use Gillette shaving foam along with the Venus razor for smooth close shave. The foam helps the razor glide effortlessly, reducing irritation and making the process super easy. Shaving on dry or unprepped skin can lead to razor burns and cuts, so I always start by ensuring my skin is softened with warm water. This helps open up the pores, soften the hair, and reduce friction for a smoother shave. Since I have already used the exfoliating body wash, my skin is prepped and free from dead skin cells. This is super important because shaving over dead skin cells can cause clogged razors and uneven shaving. Also, I never use a physical scrub and exfoliating body wash on the same day, as it can lead to over exfoliation and sensitivity. Now that all my steps are done, it's finally time to wash everything out. And now, with my skin deeply cleansed and fresh, it's time to move on to my post-shower body and skincare routine. First, I go in with the DHC cleansing oil, which helps to melt away sunscreen, makeup, and any oil-based impurities sitting on my skin. I take my time massaging it in, making sure it breaks down every last bit of buildup. Next step is using the Cetaphil Gentle Face Wash to remove any leftover impurities and give my skin a soft, hydrated, and refreshed feel. After about 30 seconds of gentle cleansing, I rinse it off with lukewarm water, pat my skin dry with a soft towel. Now that my skin is fresh and clean, it's time to lock in all the hydration with my favorite body care combo. I love mixing the Plum Vanilla Vibes body oil with the Plum Caramello body lotion. It gives the perfect balance of deep nourishment and a silky, non-greasy finish. This combo also adds a gorgeous glow to my skin, making it look radiant, healthy, and super soft. The vanilla and caramel scents blend beautifully, leaving my skin smelling absolutely delicious. Now that I'm out of the shower, it's time to dive straight into my skincare routine. First, I go in with my toner. It helps balance my skin, tighten pores, and prep it for the next steps. I absolutely love this toner. It instantly refreshes my skin, balances its pH, and preps for all the goodness coming next. Next, I use my Cosrx Nail Mucin Essence, which gives my skin an instant hydration boost and that glass skin glow. Since I'm shooting this at night, I'm using Retinol for that extra skin renewal and anti-aging boost. Retinol helps with fine lines, texture, and overall skin health. If this were my morning routine, I had used vitamin C instead for brightening and protection. To prevent dryness and keep my skin super hydrated, I apply hyaluronic acid serum. It locks in moisture and makes my skin look plump and refreshed. Now to seal everything in, I am using my Clinique Moisture Surge. It's lightweight but deeply hydrating, making my skin feel soft and supple all night. And of course, I can't forget my lips. I'm using the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, which keeps my lips hydrated and super soft overnight. Now that my skincare is done, let's move on to hair. After a relaxing shower, I like to keep my hair routine simple yet effective. Sometimes I let my hair dry naturally for that effortless healthy look. Other times I blow dry it for more polished finish. No matter how I choose to dry my hair, I always make sure to apply a good hair serum to lock in moisture and add that silky shine. Today I am using L'Oreal Extraordinary Serum, which is lightweight, non-sticky and makes my hair feel super smooth and manageable. It helps control frizz, adds hydration and gives my hair a healthy glossy finish. Whenever I style my hair, I also use this Sebastian Potion 9 styling cream. Next I am using the Chemist at Play Underarm Roll-On, which is gentle on the skin and helps brighten underarms over time. It controls sweat and odor, keeping me feeling fresh and confident. I love how lightweight and non-sticky it feels. It absorbs quickly without leaving any residue. Time for my absolute favorite step, body mist. Yes, I'm that girl who loves going to bed smelling amazing. And that's my full shower and self-care routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Stay glowing.